Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use AirDNA for UK. So for example, I was on rightmove.com looking at some properties here, and I found this one which got my interest, and this is Woodford House in Chelsea Creek. So you take the address, right? And now you want to find the exact address. You can get it on Google, just paste this on Google. You can find it on Google Maps, or for example, it has been posted on Zoopla. Now, if I go here, look at the price, right? 700,000 pounds. Now, if I go on Zoopla, let's see the price. 650,000 pounds. See the difference? So if you go ahead and look at different websites, you could get it for cheaper. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get the exact property address. So here we go. This is the exact address, Woodford House, 4 Thurston Street, right? So I come back on AirDNA, paste this, and then you want to click on the Rentalizer Revenue Calculator. So what this will do, it will basically estimate what my earning potential could be in this specific location, right? Now here, of course, this has picked up a 2-bedroom, okay, 2-bath. And of course, there would be other 2-bedroom, in this specific location. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and change this to 1-bedroom. Okay, of course, the building does have 2 bedrooms and 2 bath. So I'll change it to 1-bedroom, 1-bath. We'll switch this to 2 guests and update. So this is how much we're expecting it to actually make. So this property should be making about $50,000 in revenue, $181 average rate, 76% occupancy throughout the year. That is actually really, really good. Now let's go to the financial calculator. That's the estimated operating expenses, and we should be left with about this much. So I know this is in dollars, but I'll just go ahead and plug in the value. Okay, I should be making a cap rate of about 4.34%. And of course, this includes things like management fees. Of course, you're going to manage it yourself, then even if this would not exist, it would be even lower and your cap rate would increase. So that is how, guys, you can use AirDNA for UK to analyze your properties.